God, Andrew, no, 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 please, I don't like it, Andrew. Oh my God, oh my God. Woo! Good morning from the beautiful Algarve. Last time you saw us, we were freezing in the Christmas markets in Lisbon. But today it is absolutely beautiful here. The sun is shining and we've been on a bit of an adventure this morning, to be honest, already. We were up at 7. We've got some very exciting plans coming in the next few vlogs, so please stay tuned for that. We have a massive change of location coming up. If you want to guess where we're going, please put it down into the comments. However, at the moment we're here. We've been on the bus for 40 minutes and we've arrived in beautiful Benagil to do some kayaking on the sea.
So can I just mention the morning that we have had? I can't give too much away at the moment, but we have had so much paperwork and documentation to fill in over the past 2 days, and it's all very time specific. So we woke up this morning with possibly the most important piece of paperwork to sort out, which we had to wait for, and then we had to upload all kinds of documents online. We very nearly missed our bus. So we were rushing around this morning to try and get ready because I was still in my pajamas. I was trying to brush my teeth. I managed to brush my face. So I had toothpaste all over my face. We rushed out the door. I got in the lift to come downstairs and I had my t-shirt inside out. So it's been one of those mornings. So hopefully we're gonna make our way over to Benagil, rent a kayak, and that should make up for the morning that we had. So we've just arrived here at the beach. We're just about to jump in the kayak, so we're going to switch over to the GoPro and we'll be filming from there. See you in a minute. And we're back.
Here we are, on the kayak, absolutely terrified.
We're fine. The sea is so calm today. The weather is glorious. We're right by the cave. There's nothing to worry about. Wow, look how pretty it is.
The water is freezing! Fast, 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 fast! Ah! Ah! Quick, pull it off, pull it off, pull it off, pull it off!
We're here. There's nobody else here. What?
How are we going to get in there?
Easy.
Here we are in Benagil. We almost died getting in on the beach. But as you can see, it's so pretty!
And we have the entire place to ourselves.
So this is us trying to get back into the canoe. I'm absolutely terrified. You gotta be ready to run, Andrew. Right, you go. Bab, wait. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Push, push, push. Push, 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 Andrew, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push. Get in, Andrew, get in, get in, get in. Forward.
Hang on, the boat's the wrong way around as well. You faced the wrong way.
Oh my God, come back out, come back out, come back out.
No. Absolute.
It was the wrong way round. The boat was the wrong way round.
Yeah.
Okay, be quick. Go, 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 go. Get in, get in, get in, get in.
Oh, get in.
I think we're in.
Look at the colour of the water.
Can you just keep paddling? That was hilarious. I don't know how much of that I got. That was so stressful. We are absolutely soaked. Basically, this camera, it can't really get wet because it's got a microphone on it. So I was trying to keep this dry. That was absolutely terrifying, but really exciting. I suppose as long as you don't mind falling in a little bit, you're okay. There's so much water in it. Oh, no, there's a hole in it.
Yeah.
Hi, Andrew.
How much?
You enjoying yourself?
I am. Do you want to go in that cave over there?
No. I don't know if you can tell, but I am absolutely terrified. The water here is so cold and so deep. There are some big waves though.
No, there's really not.
If you get too close to the rocks, it's kind of scary. Are you tired?
No, but I've got salt water in my eye.
What if there's sharks?
Hang on.
Andrew, don't go sideways.
I'm not going sideways. Get the water out my eye.
God, Andrew, no, please, I don't like it, Andrew.
We have to paddle into it.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, I don't like it, that's not our beach. It's that one over there. I said it was that one over there. Why are you such a liar?
So I'm not sure if you can tell from the footage, but Leanne absolutely hates kayaks. I love them now. How you feeling, Leanne?
Better now. Not as scared, but I was absolutely terrified. I don't know what it was about it. I just felt completely out of control, out of my depth. It was so scary.
Because it's December. There's not that many tourists here at the moment. So I'd actually really recommend coming in the off season, because apparently when it's peak season, those caves you'll never get a photo alone in there like we did. On a scale of 1 to 10?
The caves were definitely like a 10 out of 10. The kayaking, I think if you enjoyed kayaking, you'd absolutely love it. But for me personally, it was like a -10. Andrew's going for a swim.
Bearing in mind that it's December, and it's not exactly the hottest of days. But when in Rome.
Here he comes, 007. How was that?
That was so cold.
Nice though.
Oh, nice.
Yeah?
If you come to Benagil, I definitely wouldn't just go to the caves. There's actually a really, really nice coastal walk above the caves. You can get to the entrance or the roof of the cave and look down into them. The coastal walk actually continues on for quite a way, and you get to see all these really nice secluded beaches.
So we've just come across this abandoned building. I know one of the girls who watches me, Jade, is really into them as well. I'm just gonna have a little look inside. There's no barrier or anything stopping us from going in. Here it is. Watch those holes in the floor, Andrew. You wouldn't want to get your foot in one of them. Bathroom. Anybody want to get a bath? Well, it's been quite a big house at some point.
It's been huge.
Whoa. Now, I think there's also a pool here. I saw it from the outside, but we'll get to that in a minute. Whoa, it's been like a big fireplace.
Is that a bar?
Bar. This has been a massive place, like a big holiday home or something. Whoa, there's like a burnt car over there. Not much left. Okay, let's go back to the house. See the pool. Okay, Andrew says it smells really bad. Whoa, that is deep. Oh my goodness.
It smells really bad.
That smells awful. Oh, the smell. Anyone fancy a dip? It's like there's been some kind of like water feature here. Pipes going down into it. Okay, let's see how good the steps are. Seems pretty solid. Whoa. This one's a bedroom.
You've seen the views they have from up here.
Yeah, that's impressive. It's been such a beautiful building.
So we've actually just discovered that this place is an old hotel. We found tiled signs that said restaurant. So yeah, it looks as though at some point this was a small little independent hotel. There's another one. This place is just full of these abandoned guest houses. There's dogs.
Hello.
Oh, this one's friendly.
Hello.
Yeah, it's another abandoned one. We're not going to push our luck. We don't want to disturb the dogs either. They've made home here. We don't want to make them uncomfortable. And
Yeah, that's true. So in true style, we are rushing back to the bus stop. This is the trek we've got to do to get back to the bus. But it's so pretty.